Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Haylou W1 premium sound quality wireless earphones or TWS. So Haylou was nice enough to send us the review unit. So in today's video we are unboxing this and sharing my first impression. We will also post the full review, so stay tuned for that. So as you can see, this is their one of the new series which they launched. They have like multiple series and this is coming from China, as you can see, but the package was delivered from Singapore, so maybe their shipment is going through Singapore and coming to the other countries. So as you can see, the features listed here is stunning sound quality, Bluetooth 5.2, which is amazing, 20-hour battery life. Again, we will let you know in full review how is the battery life. 4 mic clear calls, which is very nice. Now it has Qualcomm QC3040, so it has a Qualcomm chipset inside for audio processing, which is insane, and smart control. So it has aptX support, which should give a very good audio quality. So let's see how is the first impression. Let's unbox this one. So it has dynamic and balanced armature. So I prefer balanced sound, and that's why I thought I will review this. They gave us the option which unit to review. I choose W1 because it looks unique and it has this nice finish. Now I'm not sure which color is this one, so let's go ahead and unbox this one. Let's bring our unnecessary black knife. And a very nice sealed packaging, as you can see. This reminds me of Apple products mostly. As you can see, nice box, and I think this slides in. Oh, so that's a premium. This tells this is a premium product when you get packaging like this one. Oh my god, nice black box with Haylou logo. You have again in Chinese something which I don't understand. But as you can see, this is a 5-watt 500 milliamperes, so 310 milliamperes of battery. Pretty great. So very premium packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. Okay, there you go. It's a little weird packaging, but wow, that tells us premium earphones. Very nice packaging. This is okay, so they sent me a white color. As you can see, nice pure white Haylou logo printed, which I'm not sure if it's visible or not. We have the earphones, which is not inside the charging case, which is very weird, and nice silver finish. That's nice. So that's good. Let's try to keep it inside the case so that we could just pair it up. Nice clear case. The design is unique. It fits right in. 3 lights. Okay, that's cool. 3 lights. Nice touch. This reminds me of Realme Buds Q, but it's kind of similar. But this is a premium instead of budget series. Let's see what's inside the box. Pretty great packaging. Okay, so you have a manual, Haylou W1. Let's see how we could pair this one. Okay, so you have play pause button, double click. It's the same thing we are used to with TWS. How to charge, battery indicator. So three lights mean 70 to 100%, 2 lights is 30 to 69, and 1 light is 29. That's good. Power on. When the buds are in the charging case, open the lid to power on. When the buds are outside the case and power is off state, long press the MFP button for about 1 seconds to power on. Okay, so it can turn on without the case as well, which is good. It means that even when it's not inside the case, it can go to sleep. So it says that you need to hold 1.5 seconds for it to order to turn on. We will try that. It has warranty as well, but where is the setup process? How to charge? Okay, so they didn't mention about the setup process. So we have in Chinese and English. So they are given in English, which is good. Okay, so you get, oh, Type C. That's good. It has Type C. Oh my god, that's nice. So Type C cable you have. You also get set of buds for backup. And you have manual itself. Pretty sweet packaging, I would say. Let's pair this up with my smartphone right now. Let's see how does it pair. So I have Bluetooth turned on. Okay. So let's open this up. Oh, it has the Google Fast Pair. Pretty amazing. Oh, okay, case battery life. That's pretty sweet. This was not expected. And it detects, it has aptX, adaptive sound quality support. Pretty sweet. Absolute volume. Keep the volume of Bluetooth devices and the phone stay consistent. You can turn this feature on and off. Okay, that's the MIUI feature. But has aptX support, which is very good. I think we could toggle that. Okay, no. So Qualcomm aptX app. Let's see how does it sounds. We'll use this a little while, and we'll share my impressions pretty soon. So guys, I'm using this for quite some time now, and I've tested this for some time, and the sound quality is amazing. It's perfectly balanced. The Knowles balanced armature driver is really good. It speaks what it does. I mean, you can just see how incredible the sound quality is, well balanced. The bass is super clear. For more information, definitely wait for a full review. We will put this with various songs. We will use it in different environment, and it has ENC and not ANC, so it will cancel the noise in calls, but it won't cancel the noise when you're listening to music. But because it has in-ear design, it kind of blocks the noise, which is good. And you can see you have nice 3 lights here, which is very good touch. Also you have this nice animation. Now I'm a little bit confused whether this is the Google Fast Pair, or because this is a Xiaomi sub brand, it has something in MIUI that gives me this feature, because the Google Fast Pair only appears once and not every time, but this thing is appear every time I open this lid. Like, let's try that again. Okay, I've shut it down, and you can see it's clearly tells you the battery life, which is 100% as of now, out of the box. I'm not charged it yet. Let's try to open it up. It's blinking the lights, and as you can see, I think this is something to do with the MIUI, because it's a Xiaomi brand. Because in Google Fast Pair it doesn't appear every time. Again, we will test this for full review, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, it also has lights inside the earphones. Great touch. So the only con I found as of now is it doesn't have the smart wear detection. I mean, of course, it feels premium. You know, this finish is very premium. The overall features is very premium, but it's missing the smart wear detection. Like when you put this in your ear, it starts the music, and as well you just take out one of them, it pauses the music. So that's not there. But the touch controls are really good. So 1 tap for play and pause, and 2 touches for skipping the track. Now there is no app which I found on the Play Store. Also, there is no way of configuring the settings. I don't know how to do that. On Bluetooth as well, it says aptX support, but I'm not able to toggle this. So again, we will speak with Haylou for that, and we will figure this out with the full review. So stay tuned for that. Initial impression is really good. And if you go to their website, as you can see, they have a variety of earphones as well as smartwatches, and they are sub-brand of Xiaomi, so they have partnered with that. So as you can see, W1 is in the top, and it is a unique device in terms of finish, and price is not listed in the N website, but in the UK website it is listed as $45. I will leave the links in the description below from where you can get this. The availability is a little bit issue. As you can see, this is the UK website, and you can see it sells for $45, which is in Indian rupees it's around 3,000 if you go to buy it with AliExpress. As you can see, 3,000 plus shipping. So I would say for that pricing, it seems really good. So stay tuned for a full review. We'll leave the links in the description below. You can check that out, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.